football is football, but it's a lot that we go through, you know, at Freedom and being part of this program that other people don't have to go through. And, you know, to keep fighting through all that stuff is what makes you, you know, makes me, you know what I mean? Been through a lot to get to this point, and to get to the mountaintop with these guys. This is now the second or third week in a row that we've had to listen to somebody talking about punching us in the mouth. We don't gotta refer to football. Life has punched us in the mouth. You still here. It's just you and your mom. Where's your dad? Your parents not together. You and your mom and your 6 siblings in an apartment. That's life punching you in the mouth. We get punched in the mouth in real life. And we still here. I open my cabinet. I got roaches. That's a punch in the mouth. I don't ask my mom for that, because I know she can't afford it. That's life punching us in the mouth. These boys ain't been punched in the mouth. They talking football. We talking real life. We've been punched. We still here. Through it all. Swinging back every day. Nobody been punched in the mouth more than us. You want to fight, you go get one today. A punch in the mouth don't do nothing to us. They ain't seen it. Everything been sweet for them. They ain't been punched in the mouth. They talking football. We talking real life. We talking real life. We ain't quit yet. And today gonna be the day. You wanna fight, we gonna give it to you. Let's go.